Welcome to our channel. We're diving into a fascinating topic that can truly change the way you approach life. The 5 habits of mentally strong people. Have you ever wondered how some people remain calm in chaos, bounce back after setbacks, or stay focused on their goals no matter what challenges come their way? It's not magic, and it's not just luck. It's about building mental strength through intentional habits. In this video, we'll uncover the 5 key habits that mentally strong individuals practice daily. These habits empower them to navigate life's ups and downs with resilience, confidence, and clarity. If you've been searching for ways to boost your mental toughness and thrive in challenging situations, this is the perfect video for you. So, stick around to the end because mental strength isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving. Let's get started. Habit number 1. They embrace challenges as opportunities. Mentally strong people don't shy away from difficulties. They face them head-on. Instead of seeing challenges as obstacles, they view them as opportunities for growth. This mindset shift allows them to learn, adapt, and improve. For example, when a mentally strong person encounters failure, they don't dwell on it. Instead, they ask themselves, what can I learn from this? How can I do better next time? By reframing challenges as learning experiences, they develop resilience and become better equipped to handle future difficulties. A great way to cultivate this habit is to practice self-reflection. At the end of each day, ask yourself, what did I learn today? Over time, this will help you see setbacks as stepping stones to success. Habit number 2. They set boundaries and protect their energy. Mentally strong people understand the value of their time and energy. They are not afraid to say no to commitments that don't align with their goals or drain their emotional well-being. Setting boundaries doesn't make you selfish. It's a form of self-respect. Mentally strong individuals prioritize their mental health and understand that overextending themselves can lead to burnout. They focus on what truly matters and let go of distractions or toxic relationships that hold them back. A practical tip? Start small. Practice saying no to one thing each week that doesn't serve your priorities. Over time, you'll find it easier to set boundaries without guilt. Habit number 3. They cultivate gratitude. Gratitude is a superpower for mental strength. Mentally strong people focus on what they have rather than what they lack. This doesn't mean they ignore their struggles. It means they choose to acknowledge the positive aspects of their lives, even in tough times. Research shows that gratitude can rewire your brain, making you more optimistic and resilient. Mentally strong individuals often keep a gratitude journal or make it a habit to reflect on 3 things they're grateful for each day. Gratitude shifts your perspective from scarcity to abundance. It helps you find joy in the small things and appreciate the journey, not just the destination. Habit number 4. They take responsibility for their actions. Mentally strong people own their decisions, successes, and mistakes. They don't play the blame game or dwell on excuses. Instead, they focus on what they can control and take proactive steps to improve their circumstances. Taking responsibility doesn't mean being overly self-critical. It means recognizing where you went wrong, learning from it, and moving forward with purpose. This habit empowers them to stay in control of their lives, rather than feeling like victims of their circumstances. To develop this habit, practice self-accountability. If something doesn't go as planned, reflect on what you could have done differently and how you can approach it better next time. Habit number 5. They practice self-discipline. Self-discipline is the cornerstone of mental strength. Mentally strong people don't let temporary emotions dictate their actions. Whether it's sticking to a fitness routine, meeting a deadline, or resisting unhealthy habits, they prioritize long-term goals over short-term gratification. This doesn't mean they never feel tempted or lazy. It means they've built systems to keep themselves on track. They set clear goals, break them into manageable steps, and celebrate small wins along the way. To build self-discipline, start by identifying one area of your life where you'd like to improve. Commit to a small, consistent habit like reading for 10 minutes a day or going for a short walk, and stick to it. Over time, these small habits will snowball into greater self-control. There you have it, the 5 habits of mentally strong people. Embracing challenges, setting boundaries, practicing gratitude, taking responsibility, and cultivating self-discipline are powerful tools to build resilience and thrive in life. But here's the thing, mental strength isn't built overnight. It's a journey, not a destination. Start small, be patient with yourself, and remember that every step you take is a step toward becoming the best version of yourself. If you found value in this video, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from these insights. And let me know in the comments which of these habits resonates with you the most, or is there another habit you practice to build mental strength? Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay strong, stay positive, and keep growing. See you in the next video.